7777. God is removing toxicity from your life. Love is coming your way. Money is coming your way. You are going to be happier than you have ever been. Type 7777 if you agree. Source is saying to you today, you are going to be blessed in many ways for the difficult inner work you are doing. The good energy you are pouring into the world is making a big difference. Even if you currently cannot see it, trust that every ounce of good energy you put into the world is coming back. When you emit positive vibes, your entire reality will begin to mirror higher frequencies. You are making daily decisions to become better. You are rising into your divine power. Type yes to claim it and also subscribe God's Manifesto. Thank you.